In this video, I am going to show you how you can download WordPress in your PC without buying domain and hosting. You can practice WordPress for free. So to do this, head over to Google and search local by Flywheel. Open this website called localwp.com. Click on this. Now click on download button. Click here and choose your machine. As I am using Windows, I will choose Windows. Here I will put my name, organization type, and now click on get it now. As you can see, now the software is downloading. Once the software downloaded, you can install it. Now click on finish. Once software is installed, now you can open it. Click on create a new site, continue, and here you will put your website name. Click on continue, leave it as it is. Here you will choose your WordPress username and password. Don't change these things, just put here your username. Anything you want, you can put here. Click add site, allow access. It will take a few minutes to download everything and set up. Once it's downloaded, you can easily use the WordPress. Here you can see it's downloading in WordPress. Once everything done, you will see at this type of interface. You just have to click on WP admin. Here you can see that it's asking for the username and password. I will put my username and password. You will see that I am logged in my WordPress dashboard. Here you can see. Now you can do anything from here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.